Dealers tell us the #1 reason they send their staff to NADA Show every year is to attend workshops. This year, 24 of these workshops are led by NADA staff subject matter experts. The diverse topics cover every aspect of running a successful store, from enabling digital retailing to training and retaining staff and technicians.
Wow, there's so many reasons to come to the show to sit through these workshops. We cover as many topics as you can imagine. They're only an hour long, but they give a real teachable moment to those individuals coming to those sessions. And they leave with a full copy of the PowerPoint at their hands if they want to use it to retrain. They could enhance their skills with 20 different topics in a matter of a couple of days.
I came to learn, take some things from the workshops to be able to take them back and apply them at the dealership.
All of our instructors have retail experience. Some of the instructors additionally have manufacturer experience. So we understand the real troubles and frustrations that you get in the day-to-day world of running a retail dealership that's open from bell to bell and has a lot of moving parts.
It's all about getting that knowledge, and one thing that they provide is just statistics and analytics. I mean, if you can't measure it, then you don't really know where you're at.
Last actor was 83%.
And being able to actually see the numbers really helps.
To see the complete schedule of topics offered this year, consult the NADA Show app or visit us online at nadashow.org.